Are you looking for the top 5 best monitors for trading? In this video, we will look at some of the best monitors for trading on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1. ASUS Port Monitor. There are so many gaming and trading monitors out there that it makes your choice much harder. However, the ASUS Port Monitor is not only a well-priced monitor, but it also offers the most advanced technology you can find for your trading setup. In fact, this monitor is suitable for any purpose aside from trading graphic design, video production, and photography. So, you can be sure that you'll get what you need with the features it has. Overall best trading monitor. At number 2, Dell 4K Ultra Sharp 43. If you are looking for a solid trading monitor that comes with all the latest features to provide a great trading experience, then you should go with the Dell 4K Ultra Sharp 43. It's kind of the Volkswagen Beetle of monitors. You can't go wrong with choosing this monitor for your trading setup. In a nutshell, the Dell 4K Ultra Sharp 43 has everything you need to build the best trading setup. What about the price? Well, it's expensive, especially when we compare it to the ASUS Port Monitor. But if you have a high budget and you plan to make a living from day trading, then this is the best option for you. At number 3, Dell Ultra Sharp UT72027 Monitor. Even though many traders claim that they have better productivity with 43-inch and higher, some traders might want to get the smaller version and feel more comfortable with the 27-inch. If this is the case for you and you are looking for a safe purchase, the Dell Ultra Sharp U27 is the perfect trading monitor for that purpose. It has a slick design, high resolution of 3800 and 42160, and exceptional visuals. According to many traders, the Dell monitor is ideal for trading, especially if you plan to build a multiple monitor setup. Pricey but worth the money. At number 4, Samsung 49-inch CHG90144HC Curved Gaming Monitor. This is probably the most advanced trading monitor you can find in the market right now. The Samsung 49-inch CHG90 is a one-screen curved monitor with an innovative 32:9 aspect ratio and HDR technology. With one curved screen space equivalent to two 27-inch monitors, the Samsung 49-inch curved monitor offers a wider view in just one trading monitor. Consequently, it is the ideal purchase if you wanted to buy just one monitor and avoid technical issues that might occur when using 2 or more screens. It's an expensive monitor, but it offers a great solution. Best if you wanted to buy one curved ultra-wide monitor. At number 5, BenQ LED Monitor 24. While the Samsung 90 Swiss francs offers you a trading setup with just one trading monitor, the 24-inch BenQ LED monitor gives you another way to build a trading setup. If you choose this option, you can get 4 24-inch trading screens at a total cost of around $640. Though the 24-inch BenQ LED monitor is a fairly basic one, it provides good value for money. Eye care technology and color weakness mode, resolution of 1920x1080 pixels, and aspect ratio of 16:9. Overall, this is the cheapest and most effective way to build a trading setup. Best cheap solution to build a trading setup. Thanks for watching, and that's all for this video. If you liked this video and it helped you out in any way, please give the video a like and hit that subscribe button. Hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time, I'll see you later.